Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee back injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to your back. So that's personal injury compensation, how much you may be entitled to and how to claim. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Whether it be a road traffic accident, a slip, trip or fall, or an accident at work, back injuries are one of the most common injury types that we, as personal injury claims specialists, see. So, we understand how a back injury can have a huge impact on a person's life. If you are suffering from a back injury which was caused due to the negligence of others, then the good news for you is that you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for a back injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in a back injury, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims no-win, no-fee solicitors that has experience in dealing with back injury claims. The good news for you is that we are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation here at Legal Expert. We will talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our around the clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. But regardless of the accident type, we'll be able to use our specific compensation calculators to give you a good idea of how much you may be entitled to. So let's say that you've been involved in a car accident which has resulted in a back injury, and you'd like to know car accident injury compensation amounts. Not only will we be able to go over the average compensation for back injury car accident, but we'd also be able to use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator to help you calculate just how much you may be entitled to. Not only that, but if you're suffering from any other injuries from the accident, including psychological injuries like anxiety, we'd be able to use our anxiety compensation calculator in order to give you a good idea of just how much may be claimed in total, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over in this video will only cover the compensation amounts for back injuries alone and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work and any other expenses related to the accident, and any compensation for any other injury sustained in the accident, which is why we recommend that you reach out to us. Now, following this consultation, we will talk through your back injury compensation claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, but most importantly, if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at personal injury compensation amounts for a back injury in our compensation claim amount table. So we have in front of us the table for back injury compensation claim amounts, and in the top 3 categories, these are all severe categories for different types of back injuries and different levels of severity. The top one, you could expect to receive anything from £72,620 all the way up to £128,320. For the second category, you could expect to receive anything from £59,120 all the way up to £70,490. And then for the third category, you could expect to receive anything from £30,910 all the way up to £55,590. Then we have 2 moderate categories. For the first one, you could expect to receive anything from £22,130 all the way up to £30,910. Then for the second moderate category, you could expect to receive anything from £9,970 all the way up to £22,130. Then finally, we have 3 minor categories.
you could expect to receive anything from £6,290 all the way up to £9,970 for the first minor category. Then you could expect to receive anything from £1,950 all the way up to £6,290 for the second minor category. And finally, the third minor category, you could expect to receive anything up to £1,950.
I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.